Hi guys. So I make a new project. In this project I make a backend server for uploading a file. For example, if you upload avatar, photo and anything, this require logic. In this logic I create a multer library, and using this library I will upload all the data. For example, here this normal get response from server, and this post response is the main role for uploading a file. For example, if I go that URL of localhost, then this upload.single syntax gives the single file whose name is file. This file will be uploaded, and the syntax is request.json request.file. This will be the syntax. For example, I create this, and this file for multer, I import multer library, and the upload this syntax is from multer library, and I choose a file whose name is file, and value is this. This is the image link in my PC, and I upload this. Then it will create a error. Let me resolve this. Oh, I have to create a new directory for this. Let's create a new directory. I have to create this function, this directory at there. Now let's see the response again. Here I create this jailbreak string. This is a link of my image. Example, I click again and this upload again. If I click again, then it will again upload. Means this is the backend of my uploading a file, but this data is not readable format. This is normal gibberish string. If I want to read this, then I have to use this disk storage of multer. Let me uncomment this. If I uncomment this, then they provide a multer.disk storage. What this will does? This does only I provide a destination. The destination is null. By default, it stored that location. But if I provide this particular this location, then the file uploaded there, and null is for error. There is not any error, so why I wrote null, and CB is for callback. And the destination keyword is used for the destination of the photo, where my photo will be saved, and the file name is the normal file name, my original file name. Example, I wrote something file, अगर मैं something right JHH, then what will happen? Let's try this. If I send this, then it will give me error. Let me change the file name first. As normal from the syntax, if I send again, then it will create a new image of which can I view. It's according to my normal format, but I want to change some normal other syntax, then I have to do something again different. Yes, I did it. If I write in semicolon, then it will store. Let me change the syntax. JPG or PNG? JPG is enough. JPG is right now. Okay. If I send this, then my file creates there. Oh, I create my own name, particular name, specific name that I want. If I want to change an extension, can I do it? For example, PDF, not PDF. PDF is okay. Let's check it. Yes, it created in PDF. For example, if this can be work as a photo converter, means JPG to PNG, PNG to JPG, etc. It converted into PDF. Nice, yeah. So this is my project regarding today, and I learned from this guy Piyush Garg and another guy whose name is James Q. Quick. I learned from these two instructors. They are quite well. So this is my current project of uploading a file. I will use this concept in future videos, and in terms of development, I did this today, and let's talk about DSA. What I did today in DSA. So Sunday I participated in the contest. I solved only 2 problems on Sunday, but Monday today means I solved one more question, and one question is not able to solve because hard question was based upon string comparison. I am not unable to understand this syntax, and this is totally new concept. So I dropped this question, and again leaving this I solved 3 questions today. Meeting round 3. Find the length of the longest common prefix, most frequent prime. These 2 questions are of LeetCode contest, and this is from LeetCode POTD. These and other 2 questions of GFG POTD and LeetCode POTD. I solved total 5 questions today of DSA, and I did pretty well in development, as you can see my this project. So these are my LeetCode profile. I done both GFG and LeetCode POTD. That's enough for today. Let's see. So enough for today. Now time to say good night. Bye bye.